What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch to third person camera for matches in WWE 2K26. Doing this is pretty easy. While you're in a match, just pause your game by pressing the main menu button or options button, then go down to options. Under it we need to select presentation options, and then we have the first option which is gameplay camera. You can just flick your left stick to the right, and then we have option of standard, RAM facing or third person. So we need to select third person from here. Then you can choose the camera targeting. I'm just gonna keep it on proximity. Then we have invert third person camera y-axis. You can switch it to on or off depending on your choice. Then we have third person camera field of view. So if you want wide angle, then just set it to wide. If you want extra wide, then you can set it to extra wide as well. So I'm just gonna keep it on wide. And now to apply our changes, press main menu button or options button to apply it, and then just go back to your match. And now you can see the camera angle is for third person. I'm playing as CM Punk, and just make sure that you are not playing against your friend. You just have to play against AI in order to get this third person camera, because if you are playing with two controllers in same room, then the changes can't be made. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.